There, in this video you will learn how to get a modded township on your phone, guys. No jailbreak, which works on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get right into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go over to this website called Mods, and we're going to go to the search bar and just type in township. And as you can see, guys, it comes up, so just download it and you're all set. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. Now if you go to the search bar and type in township, you guys can see it is super expensive, which is why I don't encourage you guys to spend any money on this. So as you can see, we go in-app purchases, and you can see it is super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to go ahead and try this out. It's super insane, and it's actually updated and everything like that. So yeah, it's just super cool. So yeah, all you gotta do, guys, is go to this website and then just type in township, and it should come right up. So let me just do that right here, as you can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, it's super awesome, fully working method to become a millionaire. And as you can see, I got all this money right now, so this is super awesome. So yeah, as you can see, guys, I got so much money with this method, so be sure to go ahead and try it out. It's super cool. This is fully working. And yeah, if you're poor in this game, guys, this is the best method to become rich. So be sure to try it out for yourself. All you gotta do, guys, is just go ahead and go to Mods, and then once you're there, guys, go to the search bar and just type in township. So it should come right up. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, but this is super awesome, fully working method, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, this is super cool. Oh my gosh, I'm not poor anymore. This is awesome. So be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, fully working method, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.